I got the Tymo ring hair straightening comb. I'm gonna try this on my hair. I'm gonna try it two ways. Half of my hair I'm gonna blow dry the way I regularly blow dry and then straighten it. And the other half I'm gonna let it air dry and see how well the straightening comb works. Because the reason why I got the straightening comb is because of an ad that I saw on Instagram, and the girl did not have her hair blown out. It was air dried and then she straightened it and it came out straight. So I want to see if that actually works. And I did get 40% off, thank goodness. So let's hope this is worth it. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. Here's the box again, just so you can see it. It says some things over here that it has 5 temperature levels. It heats up fast in 60 seconds. It has a 30-minute auto off at 360-degree swivel power cord and an auto temperature lock. So it has some directions on the inside, which pretty much says, you know, your hair should be dry and this will help you get a smooth, sleek look. Comes with 2 clips. What is this? Oh, a scalp massager, the user manual, a glove, and here is the comb. It has its own little bag, like a little velvet feeling bag. Let's take it out. And here it is. So I'm excited to try this. But first I must blow dry this half of my hair, and you will see me use this first when I get to that part. So I'll see you back in a few.